Analysts expect that Activision Blizzard Incorporated, NASDAQ ATVI, will announce earnings of 49 cents per share for the current fiscal quarter, Zacks Investment Research reports. 8 analysts have provided estimates for Activision Blizzard's earnings. The lowest EPS estimate is 45 cents, and the highest is 59 cents. Activision Blizzard also reported earnings per share of 49 cents during the same quarter last year. The company is expected to report its next quarterly earnings results after the market closes on Thursday, November 2nd. According to Zacks, analysts expect that Activision Blizzard will report full-year earnings of $2.14 per share for the current year, with EPS estimates ranging from $2.02 to $2.36. For the next fiscal year, analysts anticipate that the company will post earnings of $2.55 per share, with EPS estimates ranging from $2.36 to $2.85. Zacks EPS calculations are a mean average based on a survey of sell-side research firms that provide coverage for Activision Blizzard.